Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is this panel and the different things that it does. The buttons down here. This button is for the awning outside. Pushing it up brings the awning in. Pushing it down brings the awning out. This is for the glide. Pushing it up to bring the glide in, and this brings it out. This is for the water pump. So if you're not hooked up to city water and you're going to be using the fresh tank, which is over here on the side by the door, then you would leave the pump on, and it would it helps push water through to the sink and that sort of thing when you're not connected to city water. If you're connected to city water, or if you have water at your campsite, leave that off. These two buttons operate the water heater. If you're connected to a 30 or a 50 amp plug at a campsite, then you'll want to leave it on electric. You want to leave this on only when you have water going to the RV. If you disconnect for any reason, you need to turn that off. If you are not connected to electricity and you want to use the water heater and heat it up with the propane tanks, you will use this button here. These are for the lights. These are the lights outside under the awning, and these are the lights inside the RV. These buttons just show you the status of your battery and your tanks. So here's the battery, and you can see it illuminates up here. Your freshwater tank. We only have one black and one gray tank, so you'll be black tank here, gray tank there. And that just shows you when your tanks are full or not.